Off go the barriers. Right, we've got Montrose and Penrose LED lights and Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell and a classic Griswold bell and Wabco.
Right, so we're revisiting an old location today. We're at State Highway 1 Level Crossing in Mangaweka, and there's been quite a change. So the Western Cullen Hayes mechanical bell and the Griswold mechanical bell are now gone. So we've now got Western Cullen Hayes E-bell, and gone are the Montrose and Penrose LED lights. We've now got Western Cullen Hayes LED lights instead. See, if I zoom in on the other side, they are definitely Western Cullen Hayes lights, but the original Wabco barrier mechanisms are still here, because if I zoom in, you can see the Wabco label there. And so yeah, I am surprised that the barrier mechanisms weren't replaced too, although the mechanical bells here got replaced around February, March 2017, something like that. So yeah, with that analysis said and done, let's now go and wait for a train.